How to turn on YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Studio and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, on the left side, scroll down and click on Earn. After that, in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down and click on Shopping. And if you were eligible, you will be able to turn on YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program from Shopping section, as you'll find affiliate link in here. As you can see, I am not eligible, so there is no option. But if you are eligible, you will find option for affiliate program link, and you'll be able to copy the link as well. And this is how to turn on YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.